Imagine stepping into a room where the air is scented with calming herbs, all thanks to your window blinds. Herbal infused window blinds are crafted with natural fibers like linen or bamboo, embedded with dried herbs such as lavender, rosemary, or chamomile. As sunlight warms the blinds, they gently release their soothing aromas, creating a peaceful ambience and supporting relaxation. These blinds not only refresh indoor air, but also offer a subtle, continuous aromatherapy experience. They're a stylish, eco-friendly way to bring nature's tranquility into your everyday living space.